And here's what we're working on today. A very nice red, black interior, white top 65 Ford Mustang. Automatic, rally pack gauges, little 289 green dot trans, dress up kit. Came in, had a little bit of a vibration. Had to put a dampener on it. You can see the new one down there. And I'll insert a picture of the old one here. Seems to be better with the vibration. I'm thinking it probably still needs the correct flex plate put on it, but it is much better. GT style exhaust with the trumpets coming out of the lower rear valance. Nice white top. Car from California plates. The underside looks pretty nice. You know, for a convertible, it's in real nice shape. But just a nice car, and wanted to share it with you on what we're working on today. And we're in the little red Mustang, and we're just letting her warm up a second. We're gonna take her around the block, see how this vibration plays out. It's still got a pretty good vibration. It's gonna need the flex plate, but let's go around the block on it anyhow. Because, you know, you don't get to drive a 65 Mustang convertible every day. A nice driving car, and it feels exactly like a 65 Mustang should. With the little mirrors and the low down seating position. But yeah, the engine's still got some horrible vibration to it. I don't know if you can pick that up or not, but and it's, if you just real light throttle, not much. You go to give it any kind of juice, maybe not so bad. And we've been through the motor mounts, the exhausts, nothing's touching, all that kind of good stuff. So. And it's the same kind of thing you can feel with just giving the engine some light rev in park. So, yeah. Something in the engine's vibrating. I'm betting it's the flex plate. And then there we go, guys. A nice little stroll in the 65.